How to use Wayfair coupon. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Wayfair coupon. For that, you must apply it during the payment. So what you have to do is simply want to open the Wayfair app onto your device, login. Now, the thing is, we have to add our product to our cart, and during our checkout, we are going to use coupon code. Alright then, simply add in any sort of item that you like to purchase. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna randomly select stuff. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open that up and add it to the cart. Here it is, add to cart, right? Once the item has been added to cart, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the cart icon, and here I just want to go ahead and look for proceed to checkout. As soon as I do this, it's gonna prompt me to the next page where I have to add in my shipping address and all that. And at the last, you will have a billing address where you have to provide in your credit card and your debit card information. Underneath, you could also find the gift card section or the coupon code or redeem code options. There, you just have to type in the code that you have, and you will be able to get certain amount of discount on your purchase. This way, you're supposed to use your Wayfair coupon code. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.